Okay, campers, let's look at our high frequency words for this week. Our first word is M-U-S-T, must. Let's see if that was a decodable. M-A-S-T, must. Yep, that's a decodable word. And the snap motion for that is must. It's like a teacher telling you, you must do your homework. All right, let's look at this one. N-O. Many of you know this one already. N-A. N-O. And the snap motion for that is a stomp. No. Good. Must. No. What about this one? H-E. Eh? It doesn't sound right. E. E. He. And the snap motion for that is to point to a boy and do a slingshot motion. He. Must. No. He. All right, let's look at this one. B-Y. This one could be a little bit tricky, but that's because we might not have taught you all the rules yet. I do know when we were still in school, we were talking about our vowels being A-E-I-O-U and sometimes Y. Let me explain that. When you see a Y at the end of a word, more times than not, it's saying a long vowel sound, as in fly, F-L-Y, that Y is saying I, fly. Or, as in the word happy, that Y is taking on the long E sound. Now, we are used to the consonant Y being Y, as in yellow. And it takes on that sound when you see the Y in the onset position. So, B-Y, that Y is acting like a vowel in that word. B-I, by, and you just kind of lean in. I am by the chart. By. All right. A-W-A-Y, away. Listen. Away. We're starting with an A. I do know that the short A says A. The long A says its own name, A. But the word away is sounding like it's starting with a U. I'm going to call that a tricky sticky. Okay? I'm going to call that. All right. A. And here again is that Y acting like a vowel, hanging out with this other vowel. And we know when we have a pair of vowels together, the first one will do the talking. He'll say its name. A. So I think this is pretty much following the rules. But this right here, that's a tricky sticky guy right there. And the snap motion for that is just away. Away. All right, and let's look at this one. Here we start with the T-H. E-R-E. That T-H is a letter team, just like Mrs. Johnson had last week in her high frequency word lesson. This T-H, we call it a digraph. That's two letters that go together to form one sound. When you see the T-H, your tongue's got a job to do. All right, so we've got, and then we've got E-R-E, or is it E? This is a whole lot of question mark going on here. I'm thinking that's definitely a tricky sticky, that whole area. So this is something that we're going to just have to learn by heart, okay? And the snap motion, can you see that bird there? The snap motion for there is, there goes the bird. It's just pointing there. All right, real quick, let's review them one last time. Must. No. He. By. Away. And there. Good job, boys and girls.